welcome to another Tweaker Man video. In this video we're going to be showing you how to replace the back glass on a Samsung Galaxy S6. This one has quite a few cracks in the back of it.
So, first of all, you're going to need a suction cup, a Stanley blade and a hairdryer. And you're going to have to buy yourself a new glass before you do this. So first of all, what you do is you heat up the back with the hairdryer until it's hot to the touch. And then you put your suction cup on the back of it and put it up until you can get your Stanley blade under it to push round the edges to pull those back glass up.
Okay, we're going to be heating the back glass up with a hairdryer now till it's hot. Okay, that's extremely hot now, so we put a suction cup on there, okay, and then we get our Stanley knife and we just start to pull it up, see if you can get the blade underneath. There you go. Now what you want to do is run our blade around the edge. There we go. Now this is, be careful with a blade because you can, there we go, that's all starting to open up now. Now this glass is shattered quite badly at the bottom, so we've got to be really careful with this as we go around. There we go. We're cracking it up now. There we go. There we go. Off nice and easy. Try to pull that last bit off. I've got rid of the suction cup now. I've just got to heat that last bit up. It doesn't want to come off, that last bit. So we're going to heat it up now with the hairdryer again. Okay, we're pulling the last bit off now. It's a double-sided tape that we need to get off. That is hot to touch. Now we need to pull the double-sided tape off all around it. There we go. Because the new back glass has already got the tape on there. There's some more there that we need to get off, so we're going to just heat that up a little bit more with the hairdryer, just to get that off. There we go. Gradually pull that off around. Thing is, you need to take this off, or you won't get an even bond on the back of it. There'll be a slight gap. Right, okay. I think that's all off. Okay.
So we've got the back glass from Samsung Galaxy S6. There should be a sticky layer with some protective film on it. So you're going to have to peel the protective film off and stick it to the back of your S6.
Okay, so we're going to remove this protective film off the back of it. There we go. And then we're going to turn the phone around and then we're going to gently line up the back glass in place. Drop it down slowly, making sure that it's in the right place all around. Okay, that looks about right. There we go. Make sure you press it down, even pressure, all over. I'm going to apply a little bit of heat to the back of it, just gently, just to make sure, heat it slightly, just to make sure the adhesive really bonds well. Right, okay, that's that. Right, okay, give it a really good push down with your fingers all around. Right, okay, we've pressed the back glass down nice and firm. We heated it a little bit just to make sure that the adhesive really sticks well. So, job done. Can go back in its case now. Watching another Tweaker Man video. Like and subscribe to my channel, and also like and subscribe to Choppy40. Thank you.